Hi everyone and welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you two different ways on how you can put 2, 3 or more videos to your Instagram story on one screen. So if you need multiple videos on one Instagram story, just watch the video until the end. We will open our Instagram application and then swipe in order to create our Instagram story. I'll select my photo gallery, and then I can select 2 or 3 videos from my camera roll, and they will be added to my story. But the default Instagram option is to add them in a sequence. When you do add the videos this way, your videos will play in a sequence one by one. You will have one whole video for one story, and we don't want that. Instagram doesn't have a built-in option where they allow us to add multiple videos for one story, so we will have to use another little trick. What you want to do is to exit the Instagram app and download the CapCut application. CapCut is a free app, and you can get it in the App Store or the Google Play Store. This is a great video editor that will allow us to add multiple videos on one single story. Open the app and we will create a new project. That's gonna open our photo gallery where we will add the first video which we want to use for the story. And when you add the first video, we have to adjust the aspect ratio to match the story format. So find the aspect ratio button at the bottom. And then click on this 9:16 option that has the TikTok icon. That is the format that we need for our story. You can then adjust the size and the position of your video by selecting it, and then pinch to zoom to resize your video and position it over the screen. And let's add one more video. Go back. Click on this overlay button. Then add overlay. And that's gonna open our photo gallery one more time where we will select the other video which we want for our screen. So I'll add my secondary video. Select it and position it over the screen. Zoom in or out in order to resize it and all that other stuff. You can repeat this process if you want to add a third video to the same screen, or even more if you need to. Just tap on the overlay button and you will be able to add multiple videos. And when you're happy with your results, then tap on this little arrow at the top right corner in order to save this to your photo gallery. I've saved this, and I can go back to my Instagram story camera. I'll add this video which I've created in CapCut, and I'll upload it. That's how you can add multiple videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.